What? And I say, I'm awesome like that. There we go. Hello everyone, Sats here, how you guys doing? Right back again with Chainsaw Man, and yeah, things are going well in the bag of that demon. And 2 new recruits, yeah, not a good showing. Especially the fact that they just stabbed their own teammate while they tried to kill Tenji after panicking, but okay. We just met them, so obviously they're going to have to redeem themselves somehow and become fan favorites again. Or at least like a... That's what I'm seeing. But anyway, he's about to go Chainsaw and jump into that thing's guts. This is definitely going to hurt someone. Let's find out who. There we go. Yeah, man. He took a stab for him. Right. Usually he says something corny like, it's chainsaw time! No, he doesn't, but I'm pretty sure the name's out there. There you go! And... oh, that's the show. No, it's not. That's one hell of all-stars game now. Kids, watch what you eat. Oh! Yeah. Well, Yaki is getting messed up. Well, he's also dishing it out. Yeah, he's just going and going. And even biting. Yeah, if he gets low on blood, he gets nerfed. And the devil knows it. So, he's still in the literal meat grinder, being ground down. Looks painful as hell. Okay, so demon blood actually works. Well, it's also giving a lot of that, so... yeah, just drink it up. No, it's not. Okay. No, it's not. Yeah, everyone she lost. It seems only the crazy ones can survive. Okay, that is an interesting stage. Did someone make him smile bigger? Kind of makes you feel like this guy is deceased. That's the backstory. Who knows? He might be retired somewhere. Okay, just taking my dates. Yeah, he's out for revenge. He will avenge his family. Okay, so she really doesn't want Aki to die because she doesn't want more in her ledger. Anyway, back to the grinder. And it seems to be an impasse now. I don't think it's over. You found it! I think. Okay. It's so quiet. Is it over? Nah, it's still happening. It's just really far away. Wait, what? This has been going on for 3 days? Okay, wow. Yeah, I did get bored of watching. So he's been down there fighting that demon for 3 days. And it actually he tortured it, and now it just here's my heart, kill me. And they're out. And it probably wasn't even a second. Yeah, they were also stuck in time. Yeah, we're outside. And you found the bullet. Yay. Well, it's the gun, the devil's flesh, but it's all chips and bullet. Yeah, he's been awake for 3 whole days in demon form doing all that, so he needs his break. He needs to sleep. Yeah, and turning your other resignations, you guys suck. I'm waiting for them to actually redeem themselves. I mean, come on, we just introduced them. Well, they should. Oh wait, he did? That's too small though. Oh, she seems to be really interested in her. Yeah, it does seem like she knows something. And bye. Alright, seems like everyone's here for the party. Look who's here. It's Tabby Mustamathon. Okay, no, you can't have everything. I want karaoke too. Yeah, she did promise a kiss. Yeah, just sort of kiss with tempura. So, don't. I will always end in disaster. I mean, even danger. I still call it danger. Power tried to kill him. Poor kid. If he remembers right. He doesn't know. Yeah, he's a kid. Okay. You were told not to tell anyone. Oh, so more than one person uses that one. Okay. Aww. So this is also a wake, as well as a welcome party. Aww. Yeah. People die every day, especially in the job. Wait, what? You slut! And that's all you thought about that. Okay. Yeah, hey boss! Oh, she's a celebrity. Oh, look at her. Okay, which one is it? Okay, you keep asking about that. Okay, challenge. Are you gonna take it? Yeah, he's gonna. And lose. Probably. You're already way far in, okay? Ah, that's a lot of drinks. And she's down. And he's gonna do it. And she's still fine. Okay. I'm questioning her humanity now. Yeah, she doesn't know how high her IQ is. She's just throwing out numbers. Yeah, numbers. Oh, she's up. And there. Yeah, in front of her. Yeah, she's watching. And tongue and everything. Oh, God! That's why I thought it'd be a bad idea. Well, he's eating worse, I think. Oh, he's actually chewing. Oh, come on. Okay, he is actually eating worse. And now you have to. Yeah. She made him cry. Yeah, it's your first. The one you'll never forget. Sorry, dude. Yeah, where are you? And yeah, all that trade up, you need hydration. Oh, there she is. Okay, and she just wants to make it. She's in underwear though. He's 16. Is she still drunk? You brought him here. Yeah, he did. Wait, is she going to take off her eye patch? What's under the he's not? Oh, there he is. Yeah, still wasted. Oh shit. Boobs, kisses, and everything. Probably is. Okay, seriously, after you can be out of that scene. Ugh, gross. Alright, that was gross. I'm trying to remember anything else that happened in this episode. Oh yeah, they took out the demon, 3 days fights, made up with those two, even though they tried to kill him. Puke kiss, puke kiss, puke kiss. That's all that's on my head right now, the puke kiss. The hell! Well, he might get to do it. Sincerely doubt it. But then again, everything he has gone after, he got. Even if it came with caveats. I mean, his first boob was a fake A cup, but he still took it. But then he also got mechanisms. So, there's that. His first kiss was puke, but she had a do with her. And now he might actually. No, it's not gonna happen. And then again, something else. Yeah, I kind of feel like there's a monkey paw effect here. I think you get what you want, just not the way you want it. Ugh. Puke kiss, puke kiss, puke kiss. Get that out of my head. Impossible. Yeah, I'm gonna have to leave with that. Probably so will all of you. Now with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If please leave a like, it really helps out. Any comments, I would love to hear your thoughts. How to start the channel? Please check out my stuff right here.